Hi, my name is ChrisKopacz, and this is my final project for CSCIE59. It's a demonstrating the database capabilities of MySQL for Los Angeles crime statistics between 2020 to 2024. The data was originally downloaded from data.gov. It comes in a number of different formats. I use the CSV version. The flat data in its raw form looks like this, where each row represents a different crime incident with a number of fields that represent supplementary information relevant to the crime that occurred, ranging from date and time to location to victim information, as well as the location of where the crime occurred. After taking it from the flat form in the CSV, it was turned into a normalized database in MySQL. The main table ends up being crime incident, and then all of the other tables are the supplementary information, and they really function as lookup tables, with the exception of the victim table, which is relevant to the people that were involved in the crime, and then the MO code required a bridge table where incident ID for the crime links to the bridge table, because crime incidents can have multiple MO codes associated with the incident, and then this bridge table links to the MO code lookup table. The rest of these are just reference or lookup tables. Area and the reporting district reference one another depending on where the crime occurred and which jurisdiction or precinct it fell into. From there, though, I have a few sample queries to demonstrate the function of the database in MySQL. This first one is just to get a total count of the crime incidents that occurred from 2020 to 2024. So overall, we had just over 1 million records that are represented in the database. It can then be further filtered down depending on the query. This is crimes by year, and you end up with a table showing each of the crimes that occurred in the years in question. I also used the MySQL database as the backend and hooked it up to a very simple, very lightweight front-end app using Flask in Python. So once it starts, go to the URL and you're able to run a number of preset queries. So these are the two that I just showed. Here is crimes by type. And this simple app just provides a table of the results that you would see in MySQL Workbench, as well as a simple visualization depending on the query. The crime incident map hooks up to a JavaScript applet that's open source and available so that you can view where crimes are occurring in Los Angeles.